here am I. I feel a little bit discombobulated. I'm usually in my workshop, making stuff. I'm talking about my tool. Well, you see, I've created another space. This space, which is a part of my messy workshop area, where I normally, machine wood, what have you, cut the main edge off and that, you see. Dust everywhere. Well, I couldn't have that in this space. No, I needed a clean space. So I built a partition wall out of whatever I could find around the place. That I did. And then bought a few sheets of plasterboard, whacked a little bit of plaster on it, and created this space. All insulated it is, yeah. All recycled, though, from stuff that we already had. Apart from the plasterboard, I had to buy that. But you see, I needed somewhere to create my overhead videos to do with the woodworking, but also on my other channels. But you see, I think it's pretty cool. That I do. Now, this particular piece here, yeah, this is actually a fire back. That's what this bit of iron is. Yes, it's metal. See? And on here, we're going to create stuff. Yeah, okay, excuse my bear. Oh, that's an idea. Ooh. Can't be bad, ooh, wouldn't you say? Well, we're going to take things apart, okay? And we're also going to maybe make things on it. Yeah, take things apart. Hang on, take things apart. What? Disassemble Johnny 5. Or maybe my Festool. My domino down and see how it works. Maybe that's an idea. Hopefully I can put it back together again. But anyway, you see. I'm quite excited, but also discombobulated. It feels odd. You know when you first buy a car, and you get a new car, got the fresh smells, what have you. There's a used car, somebody else's farts. The new one is the smell of plastic and PFAs. Ugh. Anyway, that's kind of how I feel in here. Because I'm not quite, how to put it, comfortable yet. No. I've got my soundboards everywhere, so I hope the audio's okay. Right? I've got another 4 soundboards to go in on the ceiling over there. Yeah, I haven't done that yet. I've got my this big soundboard here, which is full of fiberglass. But also on the other side, it's got a green screen. So we're not going to take a piss out of people's videos, you see. I can do it on the green screen. It seems like a no-brainer to me. Yeah, I like that, you see. I like to take a piss out of people. As long as they take the piss out of me, I don't mind, yeah. You see, the thing is, these days, people get too high-strung about stuff. Oh, I get some nasty things about me, yeah. I get it all the time, people say nasty things about me. Fair enough, I deserve it sometimes. But you see, I don't care. I'm too long in the tooth, you see, yeah. But sitting here, in this space, I'm thinking to myself, it could be pretty cool. We could do all sorts of stuff, yeah. Like I say, not just on this channel, but my other channels, which requires the overhead camera. You see, we'll be talking about what food you can eat in France. Substitutes for your baked beans, for instance. You know what you lot are like? You got to have your Heinz baked beans. You come here to France and you feel, oh, haricots, what are they? I want my Heinz baked beans. You know how it is. Oh, crikey, you can't get, baking powder anyway, or self-raising flour. No, well, that'll be for my other channel. Another channel called, Lost in France. Sorry, I had to catch my words then, yeah. And I'm going to be putting more videos on there about various stuff. And I've got my political channel, but let's not get into that one. That's another story, and it is. But you see, we could do all sorts in here, I hope. It could be quite interesting for the Wallybois channel. We could take things apart and see how they work. That's the plan. And maybe even people. I ain't got a clue how they work. I'm desperate to find out. So anyway, follow us here if you haven't done so already. Maybe boop the old like button, subscribe and all that. And you too. We'll get to see how people work. Is that legal? Another thing is that I can't do that. No. I've got my cold plate. I ain't got a hot plate. No, that's Silence of the Lambs, isn't it? No, you can't cook people, can you? No, you can't do that either. But anyway, we're getting there with it. Anyway, for those who've been following us while we've been doing this particular space, Don't worry, we're not going to chop anyone up, no. Well, what we've been doing in this particular space, I think we're getting there. Oh yeah, by the way, we've got a rail up there as well, which is going to be manual. You can't see it because the camera is facing that way, obviously. But over there, we've got a rail which has got all the lighting and overhead cameras for my laser, which is here. Yeah, can you see my laser? Maybe stop on the laser, and we're also putting the other lasers together, so we can be creating lots and lots of videos in the space. In fact, oh crikey, look at that depth perception. All right, there we go. I've just created this. I'm gonna come back up to you. Yeah, okay, I leveled the floor, but it's still a little bit of an incline, unfortunately. Yeah. Hello, world. So I say hello to you too. So, anyway, click the like button, will you? Maybe subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and the bell notification icon as well. Do that because you get one fuzzy thing in your pocket every time I upload another video. Yes, see, yeah, maybe. Anyway, this is the first video I've made today, and it is. Blimey, I feel all. I don't know. Is it shit? Let me know in the comments down below. Toodaloo.